Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur a video in CapCut. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your CapCut application and import your video to the timeline. So if you want to import your video, all you have to do is click on import and select the video that you want to import. So I'm just going to import this video over here in our timeline. Alright, so here is our video. So now to blur this video, all you have to do is go to effects. Alright, so once you have clicked on effects, over here you can just search for your effects. So I'm just going to search for blur. And here we have multiple blur effects, so you can just choose any one. So I'm just going to choose this, and I'm going to apply this for however duration I want. So you can just apply this for any amount of duration that you want. So over here you can adjust your blur strength from 0 to 100. So yeah, that is how you can add blur to your videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.